Today we are making 3 non-alcoholic cocktails. Hi guys, my name is Aistis. All my bartending love, passion and energy from Miami to the world. Today I'll show you how to make 3 amazing non-alcoholic cocktails, and this time we are not going to use any non-alcoholic spirits. This time we are concentrating on cocktails that we can make by taking out some spirit and leaving it non-alcoholic version, or just making a non-alcoholic cocktail, but we are not using any non-alcoholic spirits. I did couple of videos by using those non-alcoholic spirits. You can find the link right here. It's really interesting and it's really a next level of making non-alcoholic cocktails. But now we're making a bit different, old school non-alcoholic cocktail. First non-alcoholic cocktail, it's world famous mojito, but just non-alcoholic version of it. And if you want to see how to make 3 amazing alcoholic mojito variations, check out this link. You will be amazed how beautiful mojitos can be. And now non-alcoholic variation. It's very simple. I'm going to serve everything in highball glass. And first ingredient is mint. Fresh mint, it's very important. I'm not going to use only leaves, but I'm not taking whole stem. I'm just taking tops of the stems. It will be okay. A bunch of mint, and you have to domesticate it. You probably know, if you follow my videos, how to domesticate. Find out in my channel. It's somewhere there. And now this mint is domesticated before, so I'm just giving it a slap. And when you slap mint, it really opens and you can feel and get more aroma from it. Even my video girl is feeling it now, like, she's amazed. All the room is full of mint. Okay, slapping the mint, putting straight into the glass. Second ingredient is sugar or sugar syrup. I'm using sugar syrup because by using sugar syrup, I can feel my mojito the same in the beginning and in the end. Because if you're using sugar, so it's gonna be a little bit different, except if you're going to mix so long to dilute all the sugar in the drink, but usually nobody does that. So at first the cocktail is a bit sour, and the more you drink it, it gets more sweeter because sugar dissolves into the cocktail. So I'm using sugar syrup just to get that right away, the same taste all the cocktail. I'm going to use 2/3 of an ounce. And if you want to know how to make sugar syrup, even it's very simple, just check out this link and you will be a master in making sugar syrup. Now the third ingredient is fresh lime juice. Fresh lime juice are very important. I'm going to use a half lime and squeezing it straight to the glass. If you are going to the gym, so you can do it by your hands, very easy. Squeeze the lime. If you are not doing gym or not doing gym properly, then you will need a lime squeezer. It's very comfortable as well if you are doing a lot of mojitos and you already got too tired on your fingers. Alright, 3 ingredients in the glass. Now sparkling water. I'm putting just a bit, a little bit more than just a bit, but not full glass. And now mixing all ingredients together. I'm smashing them in, not smashing actually, I'm pushing it a bit. I don't think you need to push mint a lot because it might get bitter, and it still gives it aroma to the cocktail already. So I'm just gently pushing it like that with a spoon. If you want to do it with a muddler, it's also totally fine. You can do it with a muddler, but don't try to smash mint totally. I believe the mojito is better when smashing the mint, but it's up to your taste. Now full glass of ice, and to finish we're topping up everything with soda water, sparkling water actually again, or you can use the soda water as well, and giving it just a light stir to lift mint a bit up in the cocktail. Here we go. And of course we are going to garnish the cocktail with a nice sprig of fresh mint. And of course, spanking the mint, and environmentally friendly straw. And our cocktail is ready. Cheers, non-alcoholic mojito. Second, our non-alcoholic cocktail is twist on Pina Colada. Actually, it's not twist, it's just made in non-alcoholic way. So we're taking Pina Colada and taking alcohol out of it. I think I told in some of my previous videos that it's not always like that you take out the spirit and you have a non-alcoholic cocktail. It doesn't work like that. It could work sometimes, like in mojito or in Pina Colada, but sometimes it can't work. So that's why you can use those non-alcoholic spirits now to create some non-alcoholic versions of cocktails where you can't take out the spirit and make it non-alcoholic cocktail. But Pina Colada is one of those cocktails where you can do that. And if you want to see 3 amazing alcoholic Pina Colada variations, check out this link. I did that video a couple months ago and those Pina Coladas are mind-blowing. And today is non-alcoholic version. Very simple. I'm going to serve everything in like a legless wine glass. I love this glass for Pina Coladas. Of course, thicker glass is also very good. You can serve it in pineapple if you want to make it more fancy and more thicker. That's totally cool. And we are going to shake this cocktail with all passion, love and energy. And the first ingredient is coconut syrup. I made it myself at home. If you want to see how I did that, check out this link. And we'll need 1 ounce of coconut syrup. Second ingredient is coconut cream. It's very tasty, very coconutty thing, so it gives even more coconut to our Pina Colada. As Pina Colada is mostly coconut, I mean the coconut flavor is the main in Pina Colada. Even you can make different versions, but coconut is the classic. I'm adding like 1 ounce of the cream as well. It's a bit thick, so I'm stirring. Syrup is thick as well, but not so thick as the cream. And one more ingredient is of course pineapple juice. If you have fresh ones, it's really great, but if you can't, you just use a very good pineapple juice. And I'm going to add 4 ounces of pineapple juice. And now I'm giving it a stir just to mix everything a bit before adding ice and chilling, because when it's to chill it, it's a bit more difficult to mix everything. And now we're adding full glass of ice and giving it a good stir. Shake it. Whew. It's nicely shaked. Now we're adding ice to this glass and straining the cocktail to the glass. Now I can add a bit more ice to fill everything nicely to the top. And this time I'm garnishing everything with colorful sugar. I have 2, blue and pink. So I'm going to use both of them. And I'm going to garnish it half and half. Nicely garnished, and of course environmentally friendly straw. Non-alcoholic Pina Colada. Cheers guys! Third non-alcoholic cocktail is kind of lemonade, but I will call it lemonade cocktail because the difference between just a lemonade and lemonade cocktail is that we are going to make it more fancy, and then it looks like a cocktail. And basically non-alcoholic cocktail is kind of lemonade in any case. Like mojito is kind of lemonade with mint, and Pina Colada is a bit different than lemonade, but you could also relate very close. It's what I think, it's my opinion, so if you think differently, so please share in the comments below, we can have a discussion. And I'm going to serve it to be more fancy, to be more cocktail in wine glass. And I'm going to make it on raspberry syrup, so it will be raspberry lemonade cocktail. This is homemade raspberry syrup. Check out this link and you will know how to make the best raspberry syrup in the world. So I'm pouring 1.5 ounce of this syrup. I have a pretty big glass, so it depends on your glass. You can use 1.5 or 1 ounce or 2 ounces. Actually, it's a big one. Yeah, 1.5 is enough. And I'm using the same amount of fresh lemon juice, 1.5 ounce. Straight into the glass. We're not going to shake this cocktail, we are going to build it in the glass. And now a bit of sparkling water and stir everything to mix good, because syrup is a thicker substance, so it needs to be mixed good into the cocktail. And full glass of ice, and to top it up, everything with more sparkling water till the top, or maybe a little bit less, because I'm going to put some berries as a garnish, so we will lift the drink up. So maybe I poured a little bit too much this time, so I'm taking out some ice. I will have some space for the garnish. And to make it fancy, to make it look good as a real cocktail, because I mean non-alcoholic, because it's non-alcoholic cocktail, so I'm using a mint spring, I'm using half strawberry, you can use a whole. For me, half is also looking nice, so this time I chose like that. You can put also raspberries, as it's raspberry lemonade, and I'm putting some blueberries inside the cocktail. And of course, environmentally friendly straw. We have a very nice non-alcoholic strawberry lemonade, actually raspberry lemonade cocktail. Cheers guys, enjoy your drink, enjoy your life. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was informative and educative. Alright, I hope you learned something new and now you'll be making amazing non-alcoholic cocktails at home or in your bar. Tell me in the comments below which one you prefer more, mojito, lemonade or pina colada, and tell me even more interesting non-alcoholic cocktail recipes in the comments below. I would really love to try them. And thank you very much once more for watching this video. Please show me some love and support as I do to you. Subscribe my channel, like this video, share with your friends. It helps this video to be up in YouTube algorithm or whatever, that magic. I do my magic, YouTube does its magic, and it's very difficult, but if you help me, I will go up and I will be more inspired to create more interesting and educating videos for you. Thank you very much, love you, and see you in next video.